sweetheart. Hey, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. Yeah, baby. Love that pretty bird. Pretty bird. What a good girl. One more? There you go. Yay, pretty bird. You ready to be petted? Come here. Come here, pretty bird. I want to pet my pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. Pretty bird. There's my pretty girl. Come here, pretty bird. I want to pet you. Yes, I do. I want to pet my pretty bird. I do. I want to pet you. Oh, there you go. There's my pretty bird. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Who's my pretty girl? Who's my beautiful little girl? Yay, pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. I'm not going to do it tonight, but look, I have an arm, and I'm not going to let you bite it. I have an arm. Look, it's an arm, and you're going to step up, and you're not going to bite next time. Because you're not ready yet, but yeah. Oh, yeah. You're not going to bite me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pretty bird. Oh, pretty bird. Oh, pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. Here's my pretty bird. Here's my baby. You know, I want you out of your cage again. No rush, but I want you out of your cage again. Because you like it. You enjoy it so much. You're a good girl. But see, I have an arm, and you can't get to it to bite it. But you're going to have to start thinking about my arm again. Look. Looky. It's an arm. It's not something to attack. It's something to sit on. Good girl. Yay, pretty bird. Good job. Good job, pretty bird. Yay, you.